Hey fellow airgunners, welcome back to On Target Airgunner. Today we're going to have a little bit of fun. We're going to be carving some pumpkins, airgun style. We're going to be using the 22 caliber Venturi Avenger with bottle mod, the Venturi Avenger in 177, 25 caliber Benjamin Marauder, the 22 caliber Umarex Notos, 4.5 millimeter BB Crosman DPMS SBR, and the 4.5 millimeter Smith & Wesson M&P 40. For the rifles, we're going to be shooting back from 50 yards, my normal shooting spot. Put a pumpkin out there on the stool. But for the two BB guns, we're going to be at about 7 to 10 yards. We'll see which one does the best. We're going to do 30 seconds for each gun. See what kind of shots we get off, what kind of jack-o'-lanterns we can carve out. Stay tuned. All right, so we're going to be shooting the pumpkins just like this. Put a little bit of water in there with some dye just to see if it'll make it through that water. I know it'll penetrate here, but I want to hear through the water if it'll still come out there. Just to see what happens. And yes, I know it's windy, but not much I can do. I'm in a valley surrounded by mountains. So it's all right though, we'll get some good shots. Okay, 30 seconds, Venturi Avenger 177. Pretty satisfied with that, even nose. That's good. .22 Avenger. And a nose. That's a good one. Umarex Notos. Here we go. Forgot the charging handles on the other side. I'm gonna clean up that smile. There we go. Give him a third eye. All right. Okay, 25 caliber Marauder. Has some power. That's a smile. Let's give it some eyes. And a nose. Come on. Got it. That's nice. Just gonna shoot it some more. All right, for this one, we're shooting the same pumpkin that we used the M&P 40 on because it didn't really make too much damage. So this is the Crosman DPMS SBR. We're gonna just do it on full auto. That was fun. Alright, so picking up with the recap. So the DPMS, ugly but fun. I think the one that had the most damage was this Marauder one. Look at that. Cracked them pretty good. Venturi Avenger, that was also a good one. Notos, not too bad. It still went through the water, came out the other side, so that's good. That's some good energy right there. 177 Avenger. Still came out the other side. Alright guys, that was fun. Good way to carve pumpkins. If you like my videos, be sure to subscribe. Just a small time guy, just trying to make some content for you guys. On target air gunner. Let's shoot some more.